Hello and welcome back. I'm Andy and today I'm going to explain all about water spotting in your paint and how to prevent it from happening in the first place. Water spotting is a common issue that occurs when the coating has been exposed to moisture in the first 24 hours after painting. Water spotting looks like this, with circles or whitish spots on the surface of the paint film, and it can damage the pristine finish of the product after the paint has started to dry. This can be a major problem, as when the product has been painted, the coating looks perfect, but then if the product has been outside or exposed to moisture too soon after painting, then the finish can be ruined. If the water spotting is only a minor issue, then you can polish the water spotting out or add heat to the substrate to dry it out. If there is extensive water spotting, then the best thing to do is to sand smooth and repaint it. To stop the water spotting from happening again, you should always allow the coating to fully cure before washing or exposing to rain or moisture. Another way to help stop the coating from water spotting is to use a 2-pack paint system. These are much more durable and hard wearing and less susceptible to water spotting and other coating issues, as they chemically cure rather than air cure. Another thing you could do is increase the booth temperature, as this will decrease the drying times, meaning the paint will cure quicker and then the chances of water spotting happening will decrease. I hope these tips help you solve your water spotting issue. If you still have any more questions or have some other problems with your paint, please get in touch with our team and we'll be more than happy to help you. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you.